Welcome to Brain Vision.
The magnetic field vector for the given problem is a B is equal to mu q v cross r divided by 4 pi r cubed. Since the charge is at origin, then r will be xi plus yj plus zk. For part A, v we have is a v in I direction, and r we have is again in I direction. So if we take the cross product of v and r, we get I cross I to be 0, so this is 0, and this results into b to be 0. Part B of the problem, here we have v is equal to vi, and r is rj. Then v cross r will be vrk, and r is 0.500 meter. Then b we can find is simply mu naught divided by 4 pi q magnitude v divided by r square. We substitute the values. Substituting the values, 1 cross 10 to the power minus 7 phi multiplied by 4.80 times 10 to the power minus 6 times 6.8 times 10 to the power 5 divided by 0.500 square. This gives us 1.31 times 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. Here Q is negative, so B vector will be minus 1.31 times 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. That's in a K direction. Part C of the problem. Here V is again the same value VI direction, where R vector is 0.5 in I plus J cap. Then we can write V cross R will be 0.500 VK cap, where R will be simply the magnitude, which is 0.7071 meter. We just took the square of 0.5 here, and then took the square root, and then we got R 0.7071 meter. Then we'll substitute this value for R for the B equation. Naught divided by 4 pi q times V cross R magnitude divided by R cube. Once substituting those values here, we get B to be 4.62 times 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla, and in a vector form B will be equal to minus 4.62 times 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla. This is in K direction. Part D of the problem, here again using R vector, which is R K cap, we can write V cross R will be simply minus VR J, and R is equal to 0.500 meter. We substitute the values, so mu naught divided by 4R Q magnitude times V divided by R square. We substitute the values, so 1 times 10 to the power minus 7 times 4.80 times 10 to the power minus 6, I'm skipping the units here just to make things easier, times 6.80 times 10 to the power 5, this whole divided by R square, which is 0.500 square. This gives us B to be in vector form 1.31 times 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. This is in J direction. So in this problem, we used the concept of a vector multiplication, cross product, V cross R. So V cross R gave us the results mostly, and we substituted the values for the given problem, and then we got our magnetic field in a vector form. So the basic idea is to use the vector multiplication in a cross product and getting a B.